Yo boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Harsha this side, founder of ClickWave AI. So today I'm gonna show you how to create a web scraping automation. Basically, I mean most of the right now it's September and I'm targeting marketing agencies. I changed my niche every week, not week, every month actually. So this month I was targeting marketing agencies and I was doing automation services for marketing agencies. One thing I find out was like most of the marketing agencies, they go through the websites manually and they just check out the websites, and again that's consuming a lot of time. So basically we are going to create an AI automation which goes through the web and gives the summary and web details, and we can also use an LLM and ask the LLM what can we like provide marketing services or AI automation services for them. That's pretty great automation again if we like modify it in the right way and sell it in the right way. So we'll directly get into building. The first thing we have to do is we have to add an on form submission right here, name it website crawler. Perfect. We'll add the element, let it be in text, web, website URL. Perfect. Yeah, let's just change this thing. Let's click on execute, and I'm just copying and pasting Nick's website. Yeah, most of you people who are watching this video might know who Nick is the god of AI automation. Not exactly the god, but yeah, he's an expert in AI automation. I mean, I learned a lot from him. So right now we have to add a firecrawl node right here. Before n8n, before like there was no inbuilt firecrawl node in n8n. We had to do HTTP request and send a request over, but thanks to n8n we just introduced firecrawl in n8n, like the node itself. So we just have to choose crawl a website node right here. Most of you people might not have this thing, what do you call it, firecrawl account. You just have to click on create new credential. You have to add in the API key right here. You might ask me where will you get API key. Just go to new tab, search firecrawl. I mean, if you just click on sign up, you will come to this page right here and you will have your API key ready. Just copy and paste it right here. Your account will be ready to use. And then you can also give the prompting as well. Let's delete the default firecrawl URL and let's drag and drop our URL which we want. This is the dynamic JSON field. Again, we don't have to change it, like we just don't have to drag and drop every time whenever the person submits the form. Firecrawl automatically takes it. And let's give it prompt. I'll tell scrape all the details. And again, if you want it in form of summary, you can just go right here and add option, and not add option, basically choose, yeah, you can just add format and make it from markdown to summary. Mine, I'll just keep it in markdown because I'm gonna again use an LLM to, because yeah, for summary I think it's not free. Again, I'll click on execute. We'll get all the data right here. Yeah, perfect. And right now you might think, oh yeah, we can directly add it into the Google Sheets, but before that, just search for firecrawl, click on get crawl status, and here crawl edit, just drag and drop this, execute it. Perfect, we got all the details right here. And then we just have to add a loop over items right here, option right here. Delete the replace me, delete this, get the loop over and click on this. This is basically like data enrichment. This is a confirmation that we are getting all items, we are not missing out on any details. So that's perfect. Yeah, it's done. Right now what we have to do is we just have to add it to, we just have to, before adding it to Google Sheets, we just have to write a edit fields right here. We'll drag and drop whatever we want. Markdown. Yeah, again we can use an LLM and we can summarize it. I'll show you how to do that as well. Okay, markdown, perfect. Now we just have to drag and drop the what else. Yeah, the title is great. Title. Okay, and then description. Yeah, description. Will we get URL? Okay, we'll see. Status completed. Okay, credits used 12. Okay, fine, no worries. Report source URL. Okay, we'll also get a website URL. Website URL. We'll add this as well, just for like, yeah, just for namesake we are adding it, but we have all the data. Markdown, metadata 2, metadata 3. Just a minute, I'll check out next website. How many pages does C1 have? Okay, it's not much. It's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's almost like 4 pages, I guess. Yeah, 4 pages. We have like 4. I think we have 4 metadatas. Yeah. 6. Okay. 7. Okay, perfect. Warning describes almost okay, perfect. Okay, we have so many metadatas right now. All we have to do is we just have to we just have to copy paste everything, drag and drop all the metadata and tell AI agent to summarize it. Just a minute. Is there any option to like just drag and drop the metadata itself? Yeah, we'll just drag and drop the whole metadata. Perfect. Oh, we almost got everything. No, wait. We'll delete all the fields basically, and then we'll just drag and drop the data. We got, oh shit. Did we get everything? I'll just pin this. No, I'm not able to pin it. I'll just pin this data. Perfect. Yeah. Now we'll just execute the data right here. We got all the data and we'll just tell LLM to summarize it. I'll add an OpenAI node, message a model. Perfect. And again, if you don't have an OpenAI account, just click on create new credential, go to OpenAI platform right here. Okay, just sign in. Okay, I'll do that as well. I'll just add a random account. Yeah, have a lot of work to be honest. I'll click on API keys right here. I'll click on create new key. I just have to copy this key and paste it right here. The account will be set up. It's not that hard. And then here I'll go for 4.1 mini, which is my all-time favorite. We got all the data right here. Perfect. We'll tell the AI agent to summarize it. In our website data summarizing expert, your job is to summarize all the data summarize. how is to read all the information and summarize it and give the summary and what and contact details separately. And again, if you want, we can just add a message. No, not message actually. Okay, this is not on. Yeah, we can also we can also add an AI agent and tell it to give it in a particular form, like what do you call that? There is something called a structured output parser where we can do the JSON coding and we'll get this thing, what do you call that? We'll get the exact details, whatever we want from this summary. Basically, it's basically like if you want something called the contact details, you'll get the contact details. If you want something like the summary, you'll get the summary. Like it will be separated and we'll get all the details. Summarize one. Okay, I just told it to give the contact details. Yeah, we did not get the contact details anyway, no worries. Right now we'll add it to a Google Sheets, a friend or updater row sheet. Okay, perfect. I also added this thing right here, the website crawl data. I'll add up the website URL and I'll add out the this thing, what do you call it, summary of the website. Perfect. Website crawl data, it's not websites actually. Website. Okay, I don't see an option called website crawl data anyway, no worries. I'll just change it from form ID to by URL, like by ID. I'll map it manually again. Website URL and summary. For website URL, we just have to go to probably this thing and we have to search for the URL right here, or else the source URL. Anything is fine. No, not this. Contact, I mean I'm searching for to add up the contact details, but I'm not getting it. I'm searching for email, I'm not getting the email ID because Nick, like, wait, I'll show you. The reason why I'm not getting the contact details is Nick has something called Let's Talk. In this you can schedule a free discovery call with him. So probably because Nick did not allow, has not given his email ID or something, I don't know. Yeah, Nick has not given his email ID. No, yes, I think we got enough of data. But yeah, here I'm not getting the this thing from nowhere. I'll just delete and re-add the Google Sheets. The reason why I'm not getting this is because I think I edited it recently. Append a better own sheet, okay. And yeah, there is nothing called as website called data. Okay, I'm using the wrong this thing actually. That's an issue right now. Website called data, I got it. I'll map it manually. We can also map it automatically, but everything will be updated. I'll add out the website URL. Before that, I'll just drag and drop the content right here. This is the exact content. And for website URL, just go and search URL. There is something called as source URL. You just have to drag and drop the source URL right here. Not this. Yeah, the first one. There will be something called as data 0. Under that there will be something called as metadata. Under that there will be something called as source URL, or you can also drag and drop the URL. Both are the same. Just drag and drop it, click on execute step. It will be there in your Google Sheets. Right, I will show you. Okay, we just got it in our Google Sheets. You can see we got all the summary and everything. The AI literally did it for us. There is no, you can see there is cal.com link. That is the exact contact details which is there in the website. There is no email or anything, so the AI agent was not able to find out the email. So we got all the details, and again this is a pretty helpful automation because you are saving a lot of time. They don't have to go ahead and check everything. And again, if you give the prompt, I just gave a general prompt for the sake of video. We can elaborate the prompt fully. I just gave it for testing it. I don't think we need to give it complex prompting. And if you wanted something like the AI agent to act accordingly, you can give a prompt. Like if you are doing this for marketing agency, you can tell the AI agent that it's actually a person from marketing agency who reads the websites, and its main duty is to summarize the data and separate the contact details, and also find out the solution for their, what do you call that, find out their pain points and give out their solutions. It's basically like all-in-one AI agent. Again, don't use LLM for that, use AI agent for that purposes, for the video purposes. This is a simpler version. If you need a complex version, just add in an AI agent and just tell the AI agent to act accordingly. The prompt should be something like, you are an all-purpose AI agent. Your job is to scrape out, no, your job is to actually read the metadata. Yeah, not metadata, what do you call it? Read the markdown, summarize it into words, and then separate the contact details, give the pain points of the business, and wait, I'll show you instead of telling. Just add in an AI agent, change it to define below, added the content. Yeah, perfect. Where did the AI agent go? Delete this and just drag and drop it right here. Just add a Google Gemini chat model or whatever you want to. And again, I like to connect Perplexity for research of pain points. So what I do is I just connect, and again there is no credential, I have to add in cloud account. So I would see, I just dragged and dropped the data, and again I would like to give the system message something like this: see, you are an AI agent for so and so marketing agency. Your job is to go to the website, convert the markdown into summary, and then just go to the Perplexity tool in the connected tool section to actually research for the pain points and give AI automation solutions or marketing solutions, whatever. So that is what I exactly would do, and I exactly do right now. That's my exact prompting. And again, the prompting is not simple. I use complex prompting, and most of the times requires specific output format. You can use JSON, that structured output parser, which is pretty helpful. But I think right now I'll keep it simple. I don't want you people to get confused or something. If you want a video on that, I'll do that as well. So this was it for today's video. I hope you people followed up and build it for yourselves, and I hope you understand how important this automation is. Like, again, most of the people, they don't know how to pitch it well. They're just always busy building voice agent at this. You just have to pick a niche and scale up your automation agency. Just target one person and just target a niche for a month. Try to generate a lot of revenue in that niche, and if you want, you can change your niche next month. It's like trial and error method. For 1 month I pick a niche, I try to sell as much as possible. Next month I change my niche. I mean, if there are no profits, I'll definitely change my niche. That's how it works. So that was it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep grinding. Bye bye.